Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, look at this. The Bitcoin price completely went ballistic here and hit all our price targets, actually up to the exact dollar. I will be talking about that, but more importantly, I want to be talking about the next likely move for Bitcoin. I will be not only telling you the direction of the next Bitcoin move, but also the exact price target up to the exact dollar I am predicting for the Bitcoin price right now in the immediate short term. I want to tell you exactly how to trade it, how I am going to trade it, and much more. But also, guys, stay here until the very end of the video, because I will be showing you this Bitcoin price prediction tool, which was predicting all the bottoms and all the tops for Bitcoin. I want to show you the exact price target this model is predicting for the Bitcoin price right now. And even more, guys, I want to show you the price target I am personally predicting here until the end of 2021 for Bitcoin. Make sure you wait here until the very end of the video, where I am going to drop the price targets onto your head. I will be showing you all my trades, all my current trades, all my future trades for Bitcoin. My trade over on Bybit, $185,000 in a profit. My trade over on Phemex here, incredible, $310,000 in profits already. And my short-term trade on Phemex here, $125,000, $95,000 already taken. Now the recent trades here, the profits I took, and also the unrealized profits, more than $1 million in profits right now. Congratulations to the MMCrypto community. We were really crushing it recently here. And if you also want to be trading Bitcoin, the upcoming and current Bitcoin volatility right now, go to the pinned comment down below, because I have for the MMCrypto community exclusive here $1,000 in free bonus here for limited time in the pinned comment down below. If you're an experienced trader, if you are using these links here, you can get more than $1,000 in the pinned comment down below. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. You sit down, you scroll down, and you smash up the like button too. You know what, guys? Let's hit 20,000 likes on this video, just as Bitcoin just crushed through 20,000 likes. Thank you so much for that. Press the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all. Also share this video with your friends. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright, guys, and as always, we are starting on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And guys, today I really mean it. This is a juicy and jam-packed episode. You have to watch it until the very end. I will not only be talking about the immediate short term of Bitcoin, my predictions, my next price target. No, I want to zoom out and introduce to you a price prediction tool, which was before always accurately predicting the macro moves for Bitcoin. You want to see it, and you want to see the implications here on the next price target for 2021 for Bitcoin. So stick here until the very end. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term, and we are finding ourselves here on the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin. And as you can see here, I was covering 2 days ago this specific breakout, and I was also quoting this measured move price target actually to come. As you can see, Bitcoin hit it even earlier than expected. So congratulations for everyone who took the trade. And now the most important question is, what is the next price target for Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to go higher, or are we now going to find this rejection candle, the Bitcoin price to retrace here down furthermore towards the downside before we are continuing the bull run towards the upside? Well, this is exactly what I want to be talking about today. And before I go into the next likely move for Bitcoin, I wanted to remind you on something, because going here to the BLX chart, I mean, our measured move price target was 22,900. What I was also quoting actually recently, and guys, this is the moment where you cannot make it up anymore. I mean, this is just too crazy. You remember that I was just quoting here this Fibonacci extension level actually not only yesterday, not only 2 days ago, but even like 2 weeks ago, from this swing high here to this swing low. And I was quoting the $23,600 level. And I mean, guys, look at this, up to the exact dollar. You cannot make it up anymore. The Bitcoin price exactly went to this level and then retraced down. And you know what, guys, before I continue and I show you my next price target for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term, look at this little clip here just a few days ago where I was quoting for this exact price target. Look at this. That I was talking about a price target actually a little bit higher even than our measured move price target. And you can see it here. If I pull it from the swing high to the swing low, then our next price target, the 2x Fibonacci retention level, extension level, would be among the $23,600 level. And as you can see, the Bitcoin price broke out and perfectly hit this target. So once again, congratulations for everyone who took this trade. Congratulations for everyone who took price target profits exactly at the top here. It is just a big pleasure to go with the MMCrypto community and develop actually into the most profitable community probably in the world. It's absolutely crazy. So now I want to show you here the next likely move for Bitcoin. Obviously, guys, always with a failure rate. We cannot be right always, even though recently it was just beautiful here. So on the hourly candles, we can see maybe, but only maybe here, a new pattern is evolving for Bitcoin. And this one, guys, it is far from perfect, of course, far from perfect. Very important to mention here. But if we look at this one, this could be actually a symmetrical triangle on the hourly candles. And if I were to pull this one up here, once again, it's not perfect, but we have a few touch points here. You can see that Bitcoin is actually bouncing in between support and resistance here, and that the breakout time would be approximately, it would be actually today within the next 4 hours or so. Today, 5 or 6 p.m. UK time. The measured move price target would be, since this is a symmetrical triangle, it is a breakout, it is a continuation pattern, so the trend is bullishly going into it. The higher likelihood actually lays here into a breakout towards the upside. It would be coming close to the $25,000 price target, actually a crazy price target considering that we are already up so much. What I would recommend you, if you are standing on the sidelines, don't rush into a long trade right now. Wait for the confirmed breakout, because this is the moment where you can at least take into consideration that the less likely scenario is coming into place. And if you're waiting for a confirmed breakout with volume confirmation and a confirmation of the previous resistance turning into support, then you can actually say with a high degree of certainty your trade would be successful. $24,700 to the upside, and to the downside, this would be a retracement down to $21,300. Actually a price target where I would tell you guys we would not be breaking any structures here for Bitcoin. Bitcoin would still remain bullish, since this would be a much higher low than the previous one. So guys, the Bitcoin price can go anywhere here, can go even like 15% down without changing any structures for Bitcoin here. This is what I wanted to say for the immediate short term for Bitcoin. And of course, guys, you do remember also another price target I was actually quoting for a long time, and I was very happy to see that Bitcoin, that DaVinci is also looking at this price target. It is this one here, from the all-time high to the bear market low. And as you remember, this one would take us all the way up here to the 1.618, the golden ratio, the $30,000 level. And this is certainly a price level I am not looking out for this year. It is a possible price target for January. Let's wait and see what happens here. But let's stay here on the weekly chart for the BLX, because I wanted to introduce to you a crazy price prediction tool. And if I pull that out here, these are the logarithmic growth, the logarithmic regression bands. And here I wanted to give a big shout out to Benjamin Cohen. It is this channel here, a very nice, very honest guy, very down to earth, talking about statistics for Bitcoin. He was sending me this specific indicator. I want to talk about that because recently, I mean, in the last bull cycles, this one was predicting the exact highs for Bitcoin. It was predicting exactly when Bitcoin was going into the next parabolic bull run, and I can tell you this indicator is flashing here once again. Before I go into it, I wanted to talk about my trades right now, because you know I am still in my trades. My trade over on Phemex, $185,000 in profits. I took already 6 Bitcoin in profits on this one. Then I have my other trade over on Phemex over here, $125,000 I already have in profits on this trade, and $95,000 I took in profits here. If you go down, you can see I already took also another 11.7 Bitcoin here in my previous trade. So in total, I took like 21, 22 Bitcoin in profits here on these specific trades already, more than $500,000, and I am still having here approximately with this long-term trade tied up approximately more than $600,000, because this long-term trade is more than $300,000 in profit. So these 3 trades I was actually riding to more than accumulated here $1 million in profits. And the funny thing is, in one of my live episodes, I was asking you guys, post your profits you made within the last few months. And I mean, people were posting profits approximately 50 million US dollars or so only within that live stream. So I am very sure that the MMCrypto community made here approximately like 100 million US dollars in profits, or who knows, maybe even more. If you want to be trading the upcoming volatility, I want to tell you, only do it if you're an experienced trader, because if you are not, you can just buy and hold Bitcoin and make significant profits also. But if you are an experienced trader, go to the pinned comment down below, and I have for you in the pinned comment more than 1,000 US dollars for limited time here. If you use our links here, it takes a minute to sign up, or even half a minute or so. And if you follow the deposit schedule here below in this pinned comment, you can get 1,000 US dollars for free for your next trading on Bitcoin. $1,000 on a 30x leverage trade. If you don't even touch your own money, it is a 30,000 US dollar trade completely for free in the pinned comment down below. So make sure you take advantage of that. Now I wanted to go back here into this chart, guys. This is something I was teasing from the very beginning. And you can see here the green line on the downside, this is the so-called buying area. And on this so-called buying area, of course, Bitcoin is undervalued according to this model, and whenever we are going out, Bitcoin is going into the overextension. And this is important. Whenever Bitcoin is going into this red area here, this is the moment Bitcoin is fully overextended, Bitcoin is nearby the all-time high, and this is the so-called selling area. This is why it is a red area here. And you can see here that Bitcoin was just recently, a few weeks ago here, when we were going above the 14,000 US dollar levels, going into this parabolic phase, a phase I was actually also teasing here with these green boxes. And now you can see on the first side already, this model is really beautiful, that my green box is actually going above this model. Why am I personally predicting here a price target towards 200, 300,000 US dollars when this model here is only predicting a price target of approximately 100,000 US dollars? Why am I doing so if the historical accuracy was actually so perfect here? Then, just judging from history, the Bitcoin price should stop here approximately at the 100,000 US dollar levels, the price target predicted here by this specific model. Why am I quoting a much higher price target here with my green box here among the 200,000 US dollar levels, or maybe even 300,000 US dollar levels? Well, this is exactly what I want to be talking about right now. And the first reason for that is this specific chart here. You can see the US dollar index and the Bitcoin price, and the US dollar is seemingly here going towards zero. And the question is, why is it going towards zero, and why is this important for the Bitcoin price? Well, this is another chart I was showing you in July 2020 this year, and our friend, not friend, he probably doesn't know us, but we know him, Charlie Bilello, he was posting, shout out to you if you're watching, man, your charts are amazing, really, I really love it. This guy is working at Compound, he's the CEO of Compound, and he was posting this here: 84 central banks have cut interest rates in 2020, by far the easiest monetary policy the world has ever seen. And I cannot even express in words how important this mechanic is for the Bitcoin price, because when you have 84 central banks debasing actually the measurement tool, the US dollar here, all over the world, with all fiat currencies all over the world, from Israel, over Georgia, over Sierra Leone, Ukraine, Argentina, Singapore, Switzerland, the United States, Europe, all of the central banks, they are bringing the interest rates down, they are printing currency, and they are bringing this freshly printed currency into circulation by buying bonds, corporate bonds, treasury, state treasury bonds here on the open market. They are bringing it into the system, and by bringing it into the system, they are debasing the currency you are actually holding, and they are inflating asset prices, they are inflating commodity prices, and so on. And this is a very important thing to understand, because what is happening right now, it is completely unprecedented. We always had money printing or currency printing. We always had a high rate of inflation, an unofficial high rate of inflation of 6 to 8%, even though they were actually quoting 2%. But what is happening right now, guys? in this year, the US dollar circulating supply, actually a currency which is existing since more than 100 years, was only in this year inflated by more than 25% because the central bank of the United States, the Federal Reserve, is printing like crazy. So what is happening there is an unprecedented, borderline criminal debasement of the fiat currencies here in the world. And this is why I am saying that all of these models, even the stock to flow model, they will be probably offset in the next few years, because the underlying measurement here, the United States dollar, is completely being debased. So without the money printing, well, 100,000 US dollars, a very realistic price target. But with the money printing here, with people rushing into Bitcoin, into gold, into silver to secure their purchasing power, we will see probably not only an unprecedented money printing, but also an unprecedented meteoric rise of the Bitcoin price towards much higher price targets. And this is why I am personally predicting 200,000-300,000 US dollars for the next all-time high for Bitcoin. Let it be in 2021, in the end of 2021, let it be in 2022. Who knows? But this is actually what I am predicting right now. And you can let me know in the comment section down below what you think about that. What is your personal price prediction? If you leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, I will be going personally into the comment section and I want to answer at least 20-30 comments of yours here if you leave your specific price prediction in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I told you that this will be a jam-packed episode, and it was a jam-packed episode when it comes to my opinion. Let me know what you think about that. Thank you so much for all your support. Thanks for smashing the like button to new all-time highs. You are the most supportive crypto family in the world. Really, I cannot express in words how grateful I am. Because of you, we are the most viewed crypto channel in the world. Our videos are getting like straight 50,000 and more views per video. Thank you so much for that, guys. Thanks for also subscribing to the channel, pressing the bell, and here this is important, pressing on all and sharing this video with your friends, because this is what really makes the YouTube algorithm go on fire. Thank you so much for that, guys, and we will see each other very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bible tutorial which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.